Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Roots. Today we are starting our amazing AI series. In this video, I will explain what is artificial intelligence. Don't worry, I will keep it super simple and interesting. What does AI mean? Artificial intelligence or AI means when machines or computers try to think and act like humans. It's like teaching a computer to learn, decide, and solve problems just like we do. Let me give you an example. If you ask your phone what's the weather today, it understands you, searches, and gives the answer. That is AI in action. Where is AI used? AI is already around us. Here are some examples. Smartphones, voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Social media, Facebook and TikTok use AI to show you interesting posts. YouTube recommends videos you might like. That's AI. Online shopping, Amazon shows products you may want because of AI. Self-driving cars, they use AI to see, think and drive. Even I am using AI to make this content better for you. Let's quickly understand the three main types of AI. Narrow AI. This is the most common. It can do only one task, like translating languages or recognizing faces. General AI. Not real yet, but if created, it will think like a human in every area. Super AI. Stronger than humans. It's just science fiction for now. Should we fear AI? People often ask, is AI dangerous? Well, it depends how we use it. AI can help doctors, students, and workers. But yes, it needs rules and ethics so it doesn't harm people. We control AI, not the other way around. So now you know what is AI, how it works, and where it is used. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we will learn difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning with easy examples. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Roots for more amazing technology and AI videos. See you soon.